Hey guys, this is Chetu again. So you can earn money through many ways, and also like in Google AdSense, also you can earn money. So Google provides like Google AdSense, Google AdWords, YouTube monetization, and everything. So through that you can earn money. So today I'm going to tell you like how you can earn money through Google Opinion Rewards. So Google Opinion Rewards is an app that is provided by Google. So you can just go to the Play Stores and you can type Google Opinion Rewards. You can get it. So if you don't install the app, you can get install option here instead of open. You can just install, and after installing, you can just open the Google Opinion Rewards app. So what is this app? So basically, Google will provide some surveys uh, which is mainly related to their products. So Google will send that if you use any kind of Google, YouTube, Google AdWords, Google Keep, Google Translate, all those things. Based on that, how did you experience with their app? So they will ask those type of questions. Like maximum, it's like 3 to 5 questions only. So they will randomly send those surveys. So the Google app notifications will notify you. Let's say let me go to my rewards history. So I started using this app from October to 2017, from 24th. So for the first two surveys I didn't get any money. So after that Google paid $10, 774 bucks and something, and today by 28th February I got like 156.6 bucks. So it's like completely free. And the survey is also like very small uh, consuming time. Let's say it will take hardly 2 3 minutes. That's it. Hardly 2 minutes. You can just earn money in 2 minutes, and totally it's like daily you won't get. You will get randomly. If you see the dates, you will get randomly like 5th November, 11th November, 15th November, 21st November. It is like randomly you will get it. So once you get it, you just need to do the survey. That's it. And how do you use this money? So spend your play credit is the option is provided by Google Opinion Rewards app. There you can go, and it will uh, move to our Play Store app, and now you can buy games, movies with that money. Let's say I'm clicking on Thor Ragnarok. Let's say here I can buy this movie or rent from this movie, right? Let's say if I am buying this movie HD version, now you can see your Google Play balance is 156 bucks. So as I have insufficient balance, I could not buy it, or else I can buy from my credit card. So if you have enough money to buy this movie or this games or books, music, anything, you can buy it from this rewards money. So that you can earn this money like within 2 or 3 minutes, you can just fill your survey, and also you can get money by Google. And happy Googling and happy YouTubing. Thank you so much.